Google is expected to unveil the Pixel 10 family on August 20th, ahead of what is to be launched. A prototype of the Google Pixel 10 Pro has been leaked in some live images, courtesy a Chinese auction site, where one enterprising soul wanted to make some money by selling it. It looks just like the predecessor from last year, with the same oval-shaped metal camera island. There's much not known about this image source. According to the leak, it'll have the same 6.3-inch 1080p into 2856 LTPO OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, 3000 nits of peak brightness, Tensor G5 chip, 16 GB of RAM, 128, 256, 512 GB, 1 TB of storage, triple real camera setup which will be 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel with macro and 48 megapixel telemacro camera, 42 megapixel selfie camera, 4870 mAh battery with support to slightly faster 29-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. It'll run Android 16 out of the box with 7 years of Android updates.